So this is the DNA like thread-like structure. Okay. So do you know during the decade 1940 to 1950? So decade means 10 na. So 10 years. So 40 to 50. Several scientists were involved in research to reveal the structure of DNA. So many scientists studied about the DNA. So European scientists Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins were trying to take photographs of the DNA molecule by a special technique. In the year 1963, another European, two from Cambridge, UK, observed a photograph of DNA taken by Rosalind Franklin and made the model of DNA. Okay, so the molecule of life, molecule at the basis of cell division and differentiation. So the basic for that cell division is which part of the cell? Nucleus. They described the structure as well. They found that it contained a type of sugar molecules. So this DNA is in the DNA. What are the things are present? Underline this point. DNA has the sugar molecules, phosphate molecules, and some complex compounds in a particular sequence, in a particular line and in a particular shape. Okay, it has. So what are the things it has? Sugar molecules, phosphate molecules, and some complex compounds. Watson, Crick and Wilkins received Nobel Prize for their discovery. So Watson, Crick and Wilkins received the Nobel Prize for their discovery. And Franklin's name could not be included for the prize as she had cancer and was dead. Okay. So here character of most organisms are mainly controlled by the chemical compound DNA. So characters of the most organisms, that means which we carry from parents to us or from our grandparents to us, everything is by the controlled by the DNA. The color of the eye, skin color, etc., everything, the shape, parts of our body, everything are controlled by the DNA. Expressed due to DNA. A slight change in a chemical composition of DNA may lead to vast changes in the characters. So there is a small change in the DNA, it can bring so many changes in the body. So we have been able to identify areas of DNA that are responsible for specific characters and make changes in the DNA composition as well as synthesize certain small strands of DNA molecule according to the use. Okay, so several scientists of our country like Hargobind Khorana, Lalgi Singh, Yamuna Krishnan, etc. have been involved in such efforts over time. Hargobind Khorana had helped to identify specific segments of the DNA molecule that carried information for specific amino acids. He had received Nobel Prize in 1968 for this discovery. So he has found out amino acids also present in the DNA. Okay. So what are the things are present in the DNA? Sugar molecules, phosphate molecules, and some complex compounds. Also the amino acids. So it is the structure of the DNA. It is like a thread-like structure. Yes. Okay. So in the cell, how long time takes for the cell division? Okay. Lifespan of a cell and the phase of the division. So how long time it take for a single cell to divide? Here you see the picture na? Cell division starts to take place. Understand? So these are the chromosomes. So dividing into two. Okay, now when the cell division is taking place. Okay, this is the growth 1, growth 2 and DNA synthesis. Okay, the preparation of the DNA after chromosomes dividing. So the DNA is preparing. So in the cell division we have the three phases na? Growth 1, growth 2 and DNA synthesis. Among these three, which three phases it has? Okay, among these three phases, growth 1, growth 2 and DNA synthesis, which one shows very long in these three phases? DNA synthesis takes very long, na? Afterwards growth 1, then only growth 2, okay, during the cell division. So we will study here. Okay, most cells of our body divide, but the rate of division may be different in different types of cells. Okay, so many cells are dividing, but in different parts of our body cell division is different. Okay, discover occurs in very small phase in the lifespan of a cell. It is very important phase for cell to maintain their existence. Okay, so there are two are there, G1, G2, that means growth 1 and growth 2. Phases when resources are collected in the cell and the size of the cell increases. So when it get the enough strength, enough energy and all the parts of the body, all mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, it will be increasing. Which one is the longest phase that you observe in the figure? DNA synthesis means preparation. What do you think it may be longest phase? Why do you think it may be longest phase? Okay, so because it takes place for the dividing. Okay, do all cells of body divide in this manner forever? No. If all cells in our body keeps on dividing mitotically at the same phase at the same time, we would get a lump of cells. Lump of cells means extra growth. In all parts of the body, if the cell division rate is same means, and we get the extra growth and it will leads to sickness, cancer. All cells in your body do not divide together even at the same rate. Moreover, shape and size of certain cells also change over time, faster inside the womb than outside. We see the development of different parts of our body. So far, the cell division is very fast inside the womb than any parts of the body. Okay, so here you see cell division and differentiation and asexual reproduction and development. Asexual reproduction means single parent. For some organisms, no need of the both father and mother, both female and male, for the reproduction to give a new baby. Only in some organisms, like some microorganisms, in some plants, single parent is enough. Okay, in the same plant only both female and male reproductive organs are present. So it is called as A means single, asexual reproduction. So like that you remember, asexual reproduction. Most cells reproduce by the process of mitosis. Mitosis means cell division. Okay, cell division is very fast. And some organisms reproduce by this process of division. This may be unicellular organisms like bacteria, yeast, amoeba, paramecium, etc. and multicellular organisms like hydra and plants that grow from root and shoots and everything. In everywhere, mitosis only taking place. Okay. So, the process of reproduction that takes place by this involvement of the body of a single parent organism such that cell division involved a simply mitosis is called as a asexual reproduction. That means single parent. So, involvement of the body of a single parent of organism such that cell division involved by a simply mitosis is called as a asexual reproduction. There are several ways in which organisms may reproduce asexually. So some examples are that is given behind this chapter, we will see afterwards. It is noteworthy that examples of ways in which organisms may reproduce asexually, like fission means dividing or division into two parts as an yeast, budding, etc. that are bases depending upon the mitosis. Mitosis means fast cell division, increasing of the cell division. It is called as a mitosis, increasing of the cell division, taking place in everything, in unicellular organisms or multicellular organisms, or it is a single parent asexual reproduction or bisexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. Everywhere it is taking place, that only. When I say the sex, don't feel bad. Sex means which represents the male and female, the parts of the body which differentiate that you are female and you are male. It is called as a sex. Okay. As we have already studied, even in our body, development and growth takes place due to different rate of mitosis. Okay, different increasing division, cell division. Okay, even the body of a child developing as a womb is formed by the process of mitosis. By the cell continuous and increasing of the cell division only, the baby in the mother's womb also growing. The womb itself grows as mitosis takes place in its cells. A mere when the child is growing inside the womb, so the womb grows at least first. Before the child grows, the womb of a mother is 2.5 to 3 centimeter only. But when the child started to grow in the womb will be increasing about 40 centimeter, 40 centimeter. So 40 centimeter in length. Okay. So tomorrow we see about the growth of the child, how the child is growing. Thank you, students.